Welcome to my channel French Life. In this video, I am going to describe you about the indefinite articles. Indefinite articles accompany nouns representing unknown things and people. They are usually translated into English as a and an. It varies according to the gender, masculine or feminine, and number, singular or plural, of the noun it accompanies. We use a before a masculine singular noun. For example, a livre, an army. In this, livre and army both are masculine, so we use a with them. We use in before a feminine singular noun. For example, in Porth and Indam. Both are feminine, so we use in with them. We use they before any plural noun, whether it is masculine or feminine. For example, dezami and dezami. Both are plural, so les is used irrespective of gender.